Open Learn by the Open University Training Honest Review. Watch before using. Lifelong learning is more important than ever, but most people get this wrong. They assume online courses aren't as effective as traditional classrooms. Open Learn by the Open University offers free and paid training courses designed to help learners develop skills in a flexible environment. But is it worth your time? Open Learn provides a wide variety of courses, from business and IT to science and humanities. The surprising truth is that their courses are designed by university-level educators, giving them credibility that typical free online courses often lack. You can take short courses or delve into deeper programs with structured content, assessments, and certifications. Here's how it works. You select a course, complete the lessons at your own pace, and often earn a digital badge or certificate upon completion. For example, if you want to improve your project management skills, you could take a series of lessons on time management, team coordination, and risk analysis. The platform allows you to track progress, revisit materials, and test your knowledge through quizzes. Another benefit is accessibility. Open Learn is completely online, mobile-friendly, and many courses are free. Most people assume university-level content requires tuition fees or rigid schedules, but Open Learn breaks down those barriers. However, there are some limitations. Free courses may not offer accreditation, and some topics may not go into as much depth as paid programs. Most people get the impression that all courses are equivalent to a degree program, but these are intended primarily for personal and professional skill development. In conclusion, Open Learn is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to upskill or explore new subjects without committing to formal education. It's flexible, credible, and accessible. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of online training platforms.